Hi friends, welcome. I am Yelumalai TPGIT Vellur. Now we are going to learn partial differential equations. Unit 1. Unit 1. Partial differential equations. A partial differential equation is one which involves one or more partial derivatives. The order of the highest derivative is called the order of the equation. Consider z equal to f of x comma y. Now z involves two variables x and y, that is z is a function of x comma y. Z partial derivative with respect to x, y and again x and again y. Now dou z divided by dou x equal to p, it is for notation. Dou z divided by dou y equal to q. Dou square z divided by dou x square equal to r. Dou square z divided by dou x dou y equal to s. Dou square z divided by dou y square equal to t. It is the basic notations. Formation of partial differential equations. Partial differential equations can be obtained by the elimination of arbitrary constants or by the elimination of arbitrary functions. Formation of partial differential equations. Two types of problems. That is formation of partial differential equation problems. Two types. One is elimination of arbitrary constant. Another one is elimination of arbitrary functions. Problems. Number 1. Eliminate the arbitrary constants a and b from z equal to ax plus by plus ab. Solution. Given z equal to ax plus by plus ab. It is equation number 1. Now only two constants a and b. Differentiating one partially with respect to x. That is dou z divided by dou x equal to a, x value 1. Remaining terms are constant, that value 0. So dou x divided by dou z divided by dou x equal to a. Dou z divided by dou x value p. So p equal to a. It is equation number 2. Differentiation 1 partially with respect to y. Dou z divided by dou y equal to first term 0, second term y value 1, b, third term 0. That is q equal to dou z divided by dou y equal to b, that value q. So q equal to b. It is equation number 3. Substitute 2 and 3 in equation 1. We get z equal to px plus qy plus pq, which is the required partial differential equation. Problem number 2. Form the partial differential equation by eliminating the arbitrary constants a and b from z equal to x square plus a square into y square plus b square. Solution. Given z equal to x square plus a square into y square plus b square. It is equation number 1. Differentiating one partially with respect to x. Dou z divided by dou x equal to first factor only x term, second factor no x term, so second term constant. Derivative of x square value 2x plus derivative of a square value 0 into y square plus b square. Dou z divided by dou x value is p equal to 2x into y square plus b square. The term 2x take left hand side. That is p divided by 2x equal to y square plus b square. It is equation number 2. Differentiation 1 partially with respect to y. Dou z divided by dou y equal to x square plus a square. It is constant term, no y term. X square plus a square into derivative of y square value 2y plus 0. Dou z divided by dou y value q. So q equal to 2y into x square plus a square. The term 2y take left hand side. So q divided by 2y equal to x square plus a square. It is equation number 3. Substitute 2 and 3 in equation 1. So 1 in place z equal to q divided by 2y into p divided by 2x. Z equal to numerator and denominator multiply separately. Pq divided by 4xy. Now the term 4xy take right hand side, left hand side. Therefore 4xy z equal to pq, which is the required partial differential equation. Problem number 3. Find the partial differential equation of the family of spheres of radius 1 whose center lie in the xy plane. Already we know that sphere is the 3-dimensional space, 3 coordinate x, y, z. Solution. The equation of the given sphere is, that is, the sphere lie in the xy plane only, not z axis. X minus a the whole square plus y minus b the whole square plus z square equal to 1. Equation number 1. Differentiation 1 partially with respect to x. Derivative of x minus a the whole square 2 into derivative of x minus a the whole square is 2 into x minus a, that value 1, again derivative x value 1 plus second term 0 plus 2 derivative z square 2z into again derivative z with respect to x, dou z divided by dou x equal to 0. 2 into x minus a plus 2z dou z divided by dou x value p equal to 0. 2 into x minus a, that term take right hand side, that is minus 2zp. Now 2 cancel, x minus a equal to minus zp. It is equation number 2. Differentiation 1 partially with respect to y. First term 0, second term plus derivative of y minus b the whole square 2 into y minus b plus derivative of z square 2z into dou z divided by dou y equal to 0. 2 into y minus b plus 2z dou z divided by dou y value q equal to 0. 2 into y minus b, that term take right hand side, that is minus 2zq. Now both side 2 cancel. Therefore y minus b equal to minus zq. It is equation number 3. Substitute 2 and 3 in equation 1. 1 implies minus zp the whole square plus minus zq the whole square plus z square equal to 1. Z square p square plus z square q square plus z square equal to 1. Now the term z square is common. Take out in z square. Remaining p square plus q square plus 1 equal to 1, which is the required partial differential equation. Problem number 4. Eliminate the arbitrary constants a, b and c from x square divided by a square plus y square divided by b square plus z square divided by c square equal to 1 and form the partial differential equation. Solution. Given x square divided by a square plus y square divided by b square plus z square divided by c square equal to 1. It is equation number 1. Now this problem 3 constant. So we have to partial derivative 3 times. Differentiation 1 partially with respect to x. Derivative of x square value 2x divided by a square plus second term 0 plus 1 divided by c square, derivative of z square value 2z, and again z derivative with respect to x, dou z divided by dou x equal to 0. 2x divided by a square plus 2z dou z divided by dou x value p, that is 2z into p divided by c square equal to 0. Now the term 2zp divided by c square take right hand side, minus 2zp divided by c square. Now 2 cancel. Therefore x divided by a square equal to minus zp divided by c square. It is equation number 2. Differentiation 1 partially with respect to y. First term 0, second term derivative of y square value 2y divided by b square plus 1 divided by c square into derivative of z square value 2z into again z partial derivative with respect to y, dou z divided by dou y equal to 0. 2y divided by b square plus 2z cube divided by c square equal to 0. Now the term 2z cube divided by c square take right hand side, that is minus 2z cube divided by c square. Now 2 cancel, y divided by b square equal to minus z cube divided by c square. It is equation number 3. Again differentiation 2 partially with respect to x. The equation 2, x divided by a square equal to minus z p divided by c square, partially with respect to x. X value 1, so 1 divided by a square equal to minus 1 divided by c square, remaining z into p. Now write z, p means dou z divided by dou x. Again partially with respect to x, z into dou square z divided by dou x square plus p into derivative of z, dou z divided by dou x. 1 divided by a square equal to minus 1 divided by c square into z, dou square z divided by dou x square value already we know that r, so zr plus p into dou z divided by dou x value p, so p into p square. The term minus 1 divided by c square, the term take left hand side, that is 1 divided by a square plus 1 divided by c square into zr plus p square equal to 0. Now multiply by x on both sides. So x divided by a square plus x divided by c square into zr plus p square equal to 0. X divided by a square plus, now multiply x divided by c square into zr plus x divided by c square into p square equal to 0. Using equation 2, x divided by a square value is minus zp divided by c square, substitute, plus x zr divided by c square plus x p square divided by c square equal to 0. Now denominator are equal, so add the numerator, minus zp plus x zr plus x p square divided by c square equal to 0. This implies now the term c square cross multiply, c square into 0, 0. So minus zp plus x zr plus p square x equal to 0. This implies, now write the first term first, p square x plus x zr minus zp equal to 0, which is the required partial differential equation. Problem number 5. Find the partial differential equation of all spheres whose center lies on z-axis. Solution. The equation of the sphere lying in z-axis is x minus 0 the whole square plus y minus 0 the whole square plus z minus c the whole square equal to r square. That is x square plus y square plus z minus c the whole square equal to r square. It is equation number 1, where c and r are arbitrary constants. Differentiating 1 partially with respect to x. So first term derivative of x square is 2x, second term no x term 0, plus derivative of z minus c the whole square is 2 into z minus c into dou z divided by dou x equal to 0. 2x plus 2 into z minus c, dou z by dou z divided by dou x value p equal to 0. 2 into 2p into z minus c equal to minus 2x. Now 2 cancel, z minus c equal to minus x divided by p, that is p, the term p take right hand side, z minus c equal to minus x divided by p, equation number 2. Differentiation 1 partially with respect to y. First term 0, second term derivative y square value 2y plus derivative of z minus c the whole square is 2 into z minus c into dou z divided by dou y equal to 0. 2y plus 2 into z minus c, that value q equal to 0. The term 2y take right hand side. Now 2 cancel, z minus c equal to minus y divided by q. It is equation number 3. From 2 and 3, minus x divided by p equal to minus y divided by q. Now minus cancel both sides. Cross multiplication, xq equal to py. Xq minus yp equal to 0 is the required partial differential equation. Thank you.